Hello, welcome back to the Chatterbox. In this video, we're going to talk more about the ch sound. There is another video that I just made targeting that ch sound. Choo choo. Again, usually what we want to do is break a lateral lisp so the ch is coming out. We want to break that and turn it into a nice sharp t, sh, ch sound. And the ch sound is made up of a T, a real sharp T, 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 and the sh sound. And when we blend other sounds together, it sounds just like the ch sound. In the other video, you'll see how you can turn at, y, you, the y sound, at, you, into at you, making that ch sound. In this video, I'm going to trick you into making the ch sound with just that word, trick. What sounds do we think are in trick? It's not trick. We don't say trick. We say trick. So we're going to use that to teach our kiddos how to say that ch sound correctly. So just to review from the previous video, this symbol here is the sh sound. Like I said, the t and the sh make the ch sound. So we have t and sh. So when we say these words, we're saying trick, that ch sound. T, sh, ch, ch. We're going to do trick our kiddos into saying that ch sound correctly. And we do that by having them say trick. So they're not saying trick because we don't want it to come out trick. We want it to come out trick, trick, trick. And then it'll blend together to make that trick. When we stretch out our R, trick. We have to have a real sharp T though. Trick. And then try. We're breaking these words up, so we're saying the t and the a little bit longer. Trick, try, 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 tray, tray. Then, once the kiddo can say these words, just like that with each sound, terrain, terrain, and rack. Sorry, go back to train. Rain, rain. And then we blend it together. Terrain, terrain. And then rack, rack, track, track. So once they get that, and they're not trying to say track, they're saying track, track. And when they start saying it correctly, the t and the track, 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 we just have to speed it up. Track, track, track. And it will turn into that ch sound. Track, 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 track. Track, 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 track. You want to take out the track, track. Terrain, terrain. Tray, tray, tray. Try, try, try. And trick, trick, trick. So we tricked you into saying that ch sound. Once they can say that, trick, trick, and say it quickly, trick, trick. Now just say tr, tr, and ch. There it is, ch, tr. Take the rick away, tr, and it should be in there. And you can try whispering again, like I mentioned in the last video. Trick, trick, trick. Turn your voice off, and all of a sudden it sounds a lot like the ch sound because we don't have the voice in that R. Tur, trick, 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 try, try, tray, tray, train, train, track. You're saying the ch sound. Did you hear it? It's quiet, but you can hear it. Ch, ch, track, try, try again. Ch, 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 ch. There it is. All right, let me know how that goes, and I'll leave you to chat.